What if I told you there are websites available right now where you can realistically earn $100 or more per day without commuting to an office, working fixed hours, or even having a college degree? Thanks to AI, making money online has become much more accessible than before. In this video, I'll show you 3 legitimate websites that let you earn online from anywhere. The best part is that you can get started immediately after watching this tutorial, and I'll save my favorite platform for last because it has the highest earning potential. If your goal is to build an online income using AI, make sure you watch until the end because every website serves a different purpose. Let's start with the first platform, Outlier AI. As AI continues growing across almost every industry, companies constantly need people to help improve AI systems. That's exactly where Outlier AI comes in. Their goal is simple. They want real people to help train and improve artificial intelligence. The good news is that you don't need previous AI experience to get started. Even if you've never used AI tools before, you can still apply for many of the available opportunities. When you visit the website, you'll immediately notice one of its biggest advantages. It allows you to work whenever you want and from wherever you want. That flexibility makes it a great option for students, freelancers, or anyone looking to earn extra income online without committing to a traditional job. To explore available work, simply click View Opportunities. This opens a list of current projects along with important details such as location, hourly pay, and required skills. One thing you'll notice right away is that many jobs start at around $30 per hour, which is already a strong earning opportunity compared to many online platforms. Some listings require specialized skills, while others are much more beginner-friendly. For example, you'll see coding-related positions alongside general AI training jobs. If you're not interested in programming, don't worry. There are still plenty of opportunities that don't require coding experience. You'll also notice that many projects are targeted to specific countries or languages. For example, some jobs are designed for Bengali speakers in Bangladesh, while others are available only in the United States. The important thing is that Outlier regularly posts opportunities for different regions, so it's worth checking which ones match your location. Another useful feature is that you can see how many people are already working on certain projects. Seeing thousands of participants actively completing tasks gives you confidence that this is a legitimate platform rather than another fake online earning website. If you're looking for higher paying work, simply use the high pay filter. This displays premium opportunities where some projects pay $50, $75, or even more per hour, especially if they require specialized knowledge. For example, legal professionals may find AI training projects related to law, while software engineers can apply for technical AI tasks. In general, the more specialized your experience is, the higher your earning potential becomes. Here's another useful tip. Even if a job requires skills like coding, don't immediately assume you can't do it. Today, AI tools like ChatGPT can help you learn concepts, understand code, solve programming problems, and improve your workflow much faster than before. Instead of seeing AI as competition, use it as a tool to become more productive and qualify for better paying opportunities. So if you're looking for flexible online work with hourly pay ranging from beginner level projects to highly specialized AI jobs, Outlier AI is definitely one of the best platforms to explore first. In the next part, we'll look at another beginner friendly website where you can start earning money by completing simple online tasks even if you have little or no experience. The second website is Clickworker, and this is one of the most trusted platforms for beginners who want to start making money online. Unlike the previous website, Clickworker focuses on micro jobs, which means you can complete small online tasks and get paid without needing advanced skills or years of experience. When you first open the website, you might get confused because the homepage is designed for businesses. That's completely normal. Since we're here to earn money, simply click Earn Money as a Clickworker. From there, you'll be taken to the worker section where you can register and start browsing available tasks. One thing I really like about this platform is its flexibility. Just like the previous website, you can work from anywhere and at any time as long as you have an internet connection. You decide when you want to work and how many tasks you want to complete. The jobs here are intentionally simple. Some tasks might ask you to take pictures of specific objects, complete short activities, answer surveys, or even post reviews. For example, one task simply asks you to take a photo of your dining area, and it pays $2.50 for that single task. It only takes a few minutes to complete, making making it a great option for beginners who want quick and simple online work. Getting started is also straightforward. Click Sign Up, enter your basic information such as your name, email address, password, and other required details, then complete your registration. After logging into your account, you'll immediately be able to browse all of the currently available jobs based on your location and qualifications. Before applying, you can also check the requirements section. Here, ClickWorker explains that most of the work consists of micro jobs, meaning every task is completed individually. Instead of spending hours on one large project, you'll complete many small tasks whenever you have free time. The best part is that the technical requirements are extremely minimal. If you can access the website using a normal web browser and have an internet connection, you've already met most of the basic requirements. In many cases, you don't even need a computer because many tasks can be completed directly from your smartphone. Another advantage is that most tasks don't require any formal qualifications. The platform provides simple onboarding and guidance so new users can understand how everything works. Because the workflows are designed to be beginner friendly, almost anyone can participate regardless of previous experience. If you're completely new to making money online, ClickWorker is a great place to gain experience. You won't become rich overnight by completing micro jobs, but you'll learn how online work platforms operate, build confidence, and start generating your first online income without taking unnecessary risks. Now we've covered a platform for AI-related jobs and another for beginner-friendly micro tasks. Now let's move on to the third website, and this is personally my favorite because it has the highest earning potential out of all three platforms we've covered. The website is Upwork. One of the biggest advantages of Upwork is that you don't have to stick to just one skill. You can create a single profile and offer multiple services at the same time. Whether your expertise is AI, engineering, writing, marketing, video editing, graphic design, or any other digital skill, you can earn from all of them using one account. I've personally been using Upwork for years, both as someone who hires freelancers and as someone who has earned money through the platform. That's one of the reasons I recommend it. It isn't just another freelance marketplace. It's one of the biggest places where businesses actively search for professionals. If you open Upwork today, you'll immediately notice how much demand there is for AI-related services. Businesses across almost every industry are trying to adopt AI, but many of them don't know how to use these tools effectively. That's where the opportunity comes in. If you understand AI tools, even at a practical level, you can offer those skills as a service and get paid for helping businesses save time and improve their workflow. To see the earning potential, go to the Hire Talent section and search for a video creator and editor. Then switch to the freelancer results and browse profiles from different countries. You'll immediately notice that freelancers charge very different hourly rates depending on their experience, portfolio, and client reviews. If you're just getting started, don't make the mistake of setting extremely high prices immediately. Your first goal should be getting reviews and building trust. A simple strategy is to start with a competitive rate so you can attract your first few clients. Once you've completed successful projects and collected positive reviews, you can gradually increase your pricing over time. For example, you'll find freelancers charging around $8 per hour who still receive plenty of work because they have strong ratings and consistent client feedback. Even though the hourly rate is lower, they're building experience, earning money, and growing their reputation on the platform. On the other hand, you'll also find experienced freelancers charging $90 per hour for AI video creation and editing. What's interesting is that many of them aren't doing anything impossible. They're simply using modern AI tools to create videos faster and deliver results that businesses are willing to pay for. That's the biggest lesson here. You don't need to invent a brand new AI technology to make money. You simply need to learn how to use today's AI tools efficiently and solve real problems for clients. Businesses don't care which AI software you use. They care about the final result you deliver. So today we covered 3 legitimate ways to make money online. If you want more AI tools, online money-making methods, and practical workflows that can help you build income online, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. I'll continue sharing new websites, AI opportunities, and proven strategies that can help you stay ahead as AI continues to grow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.